How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Beast Family Adventures. Chris, here with Papa Beast, which is a 2020 Gladiator. For you those that subscribe, we appreciate it. Thanks for subscribing. It really helps us out. Really lets us know what you guys like, what you don't like, so we can put out better content. With that being said, today it's all about Yucca pen. All right, so what many people might not know is that there's really only one entrance to Yucca pen. A lot of people think that there's an entrance off of Burnt Store for the locals in Southwest Florida, specifically Cape Coral and Punta Gorda, which is just north of Cape Coral. A lot of people think that there's an entrance. If you're familiar with the road, right across the street from the fire department. However, that is not an entrance. That is actually private property. You can see a for sale sign out front, selling the land itself. I do have brothers and sisters over at FWC. I reached out to them a little while ago because I had questions myself, and they said that that's actually private property, so you can get trespassed off if not ticketed. The actual entrance to Yucca pen is farther north off of Zemmel. Zemmel Road travels between US 41 and Burnt Store Road. It travels east to west, and the entrance is just south of the south side of Zemmel Road. You do have to pay. There is a fee. It's kind of weird. I know. We're actually on our way to meet up a few other Jeepers that want to go wheeling today. They had a few questions. It is a little weird because you have to pay at this little pay station. It's only a couple bucks. It really doesn't matter. It probably helps out the preserve more than it hurts you. But it's on the other side of the road. So people just pull into Yucca pen and they just head on in and say, hey, I don't have to pay. You actually do. So we'll go over that when we get there. Right now, I have Caden all loaded up. He's got his iPad watching the Pond Monster or Steven, whatever, with his Lamborghini. I don't know. So he's all set, ready to go. We're on our way to the gas station to meet up with everybody else. Appreciate you guys checking out the channel. If not, you know what I'm gonna say, people. Subscribe. Hit the notifications and share this video. We appreciate you guys. All right, here we are at the actual entrance to Yucca pens. Told you, there's an actual entrance. This is on the north side of Zemmel Road. This is part of it. We didn't go there today. The other side has a little bit better trails, but this is actually a loop. From the people that's been down there, they said it's really nice, but not really challenging for any of the Jeeps. Yucca pen isn't really challenging for any Jeep. There are some trails on the south side of the wildlife management area that can get a little gnarly. You could get stuck. So anyway, while here, you stop here first, and then you come over to the little yellow tube thingy here. What you do is you open up this little drawer. You see the little envelopes in there. You grab an envelope. It's $3 per person or $6 for a whole car. What I always tell people, you might as well do it right. Help support the management area. If you are a Jeeper or a fan of the outdoors, you have no problem doing it. There are fuel rules here. They have rules listed here. They do have a map telling you what. We have a douchebag. So there is a map up here, tells you the trails and all the roads and stuff like that. So, but this is the only entrance, and I'll flip it around. So that is the entrance to the southbound side. There is a garbage dump towards 41 and Zelma Road that you could come out on. There is a way out onto Zelma Road, but this is where I always go in, because you just pay and then you start hitting the trails. actually Burnt Store Road right here in Cape Coral. The county line's only right up there. So we have, you see people going back there with their ATVs and stuff like that. Many people think that this is a access to Yucca pens. You see how many people drive through here? Many people think that this is an access point to Yucca pen, but it is not. This is actually private property. Over right there is a for sale sign. So, I mean, people go back there all the time, obviously, but if you want to do it right, go to the gate that I told you to, pay the $6. This is private property. Someone could hire FWC to come out here and kick you out, ticket you, or worse, probably impound your vehicle.